So, Pastor,
Mufundisi,
taurai navo vanhu venyama achiri kuda kukontinua toziva.
those who want to continue so that we are definitely.
If somebody has harassed you, maybe you have lost your senses, or maybe there's a disturbance somewhere and you know you cannot continue, you still let us know. No one is being coerced. No one is being pushed into doing this. All those are participants. And already, all this, it's good. It's good what they are doing. They are already conveying a message. They are conveying a message already. Let's give them time. Let's give them time. People had how many nights to dream? Okay. You know, already this exercise, it's another exercise. It means these people must touch physically. Already, it's a sign. They have to verify physically. They are physically checking. They are physically checking.
What is she saying?
Can
you please hear what she's saying?
I mean, Pastor, go there and hear. You know, what I would have done myself, having an ability to see everything, I would have known there is no trickery, there is nothing in the pocket without me touching it. I would have seen. But we just want to make sure that maybe.
Hello. The lady that I'm with here was just emphasizing the church she belongs to. So I don't know if it can be disclosed or it is kept to herself.
Okay, I don't think we need to. No, let's not go there now. But if you feel it's okay, because I would want those that are going to participate to introduce themselves. Either ndringanga or ndrimporofita.
I'm a traditional.
Whatever you are, then you just introduce. If you want to tell us where you come from, your church, it's up to you. It's up to you, but we have all the details where they come from. We don't want to seem to be attacking churches because it will appear to some people as if one person is representing the whole church. So we'll give you a chance to introduce yourselves. So once you are done, please, you bring back my trousers and then we search it again. Thank you. In case
you have put something that you are going to say.
I'm sorry, Baba. We have a participant here who has decided to withdraw.
It's all right.
And he has got the reasons why he decided to withdraw.
Yeah, let's hear the reasons.
So I'll give him a chance.
Yeah. It's all right. Everyone has,
all
remember,
right.
Remember, I said you have a right
Sorry.
to continue or to stop. We might have done it in a way that disturbs you somehow, and you know I'm not going to be successful. So there is no point forcing you. You can explain your reasons and then. Yeah.
Sorry, man of God, I've asked him to explain on his own, standing right behind him, holding his shoulder. He asked me to explain what he said to me, and I'll put the mic afterwards for him to confirm if it's exactly what he said. He said the conditions that he had anticipated have changed. He thought it was just one item, and that there's a possibility of several items.
Let's listen.
He came prepared for one item.
All right.
So that is the reason why he says, no, I have to pull out because there could be several items.
Okay.
Can you confirm?
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. He's being honest. He's being honest. He's being honest. He came. Okay, let's listen, please. He came not knowing. So already, currently, there is nothing in the pocket. And he's not comfortable with me putting one item, which means he has already seen one item. And he's not comfortable with one item. I hope you get what I'm saying there. Remember, from Sunday and Wednesday, the message was clear. I said, if it's about seeing everything, you have to see everything. How many of you were there? Thank you. Maybe he might have missed that part, and it's okay. But if you quit on that basis also, you are implying that there are more than one. Because I've told you. If there was one, you should have seen there is one. If there is two, still that same ability. Somebody should have seen it before coming that it's going to be two items. So